Hello everyone, good day to you all. Ayubowan. So that is the traditional way of greetings others by Sri Lankans. So I thought today onwards to greet you from our way. The meaning behind Ayubowan is I wish you more life. Hope you will like it. Right. So my friends, let's back to our lesson. Today we are in the Excel lesson number 79, and this is our part 9 on charts learning series. I'm going to talk about today how we can change the chart type. So let's see how we can do that. Hope you remember this chart, this line chart. We talked about this and we created this when we do the lesson number 78. Right. Now let's think about. So it's a line chart, but this is not the way you want. So then what is the solution? Do you think that you have to delete this? Like this? Oh. No, 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 no. Don't delete it. Right? There is no need to delete if you want to change the chart type. Okay. Let me undo. Right. So how we can change the chart type without deleting the chart? That is the most important question. So in order to do that, you have to go to chart design. But remember one thing, you must select the chart before you go to the chart design, because otherwise you will never find the chart design. See, it's not there. When you select the chart, then only you will see those additional two menus, chart design and format. So in the chart design, we can find change chart type. Just click on it. So once you click on it, Excel gives us, so like this, all the chart types, and also they have the recommended charts. So recommended chart type, the first one is a clustered column, right? So in that way, my friends, you can select the appropriate one. Even you can go to the individual chart type and you can see how it looks like. This is the one we are having. The pie chart will not match to this data set. So my friends, so I think the most suitable one is the column chart, and I go for the sales items, this one, as the reading as my labels. Just select on that type and click OK. Now you have the clustered column chart. Okay friends, so this is how without deleting the created chart, you can change the chart type. Enjoy it. Hope this is helpful to you. Looking forward to meet you with the lesson number 80. Again, it will be about charts, and I'm going to talk about more on chart types, how we can use those different chart types. Until that, stay blessed. God bless you all.